In the following clips, we're going to talk about the correct procedure for replacing your upper and lower ball joints on a two-wheel drive, full-size vehicle. In this clip, we're going to talk about the tools required and the parts necessary to replace your upper and lower ball joints on a two-wheel drive, full-size vehicle. What I have here in my lab is my 4-way. It's used for breaking loose the lug nuts on your tire. What I have here is my jack stand. It's a safety device. We're going to be doing a little bit of horsing around on the vehicle, so we're going to want to make sure we have a good stable surface for it to sit on. We got the jack stand for. Up in front in these small packages, we have our lower ball joints with their retaining nuts and hardware inside. We got one more for the other side of the vehicle. We have the upper control arm ball joint assembly. As you can see, it's quite the device. Like I said, it is an upper control arm ball joint assembly. This here is the joint itself. This is the control arm. And these are the control arm bushings. The other side is virtually identical with a few minor differences. As you can see, this has an R on it. That's going to indicate it's the right or passenger side of the vehicle. You don't want to get these mixed up. That will throw your alignment off drastically. It is possible to install the wrong one on the wrong side. From there, have my standard and metric socket set, along with a couple other extras I have added in the empty space. I have my ball joint pickle fork, also works on tie rod ends, and my heavy duty hydraulic floor jack. And of course, a ball joint press, which is what we're going to use to change this guy. As you can see, there's a particular difference between the lower ball joint and the upper ball joint control arm assembly. The control arm assembly has the ball joint already pressed in it, right there. As you can see the comparison, it's already pressed in, assembled from the factory, and you purchase it as one piece. That makes it so the ball joint on the upper side will bolt in through your control arm bushing holes. This one has no mounting bolts. So you can see it's splined here. You can see the ribs and the teeth on here. What that is going to do is squeeze into the lower control arm of your vehicle. In order to do that on a full-size vehicle, you're going to want to get a ball joint press. It's not necessary to purchase one. You can go to your local parts store and rent one. They'll actually give it to you for free for the cost of it, and when you return it back in good shape, they'll give you your money back.